How the CAN immo works on a 2020 Range Rover Vogue. Going to give you a quick demo and show you how it all works. So once you're in the vehicle, shut the door, foot on the brake, hit the start button. So the engine starts, but it's locked the gearbox. We're unable to select a gear. So what you do is once you've started the vehicle, enter your secret code, get your double flash of the hazards there, and now we can select gear. If we turn the ignition off and open the door, you get a double flash of the hazards, and that rearms the system. So again, when we start the vehicle starts, the gear selector is then locked. So we enter our code again and get a double flash, we can select gear and drive. But if we turn the ignition off but don't open the door, next time we restart the engine, we don't have to enter our code because we haven't opened the door.